Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting in Safari. Open it and immediately bring up history with Option Command 2 so you can see what Safari has recorded. Once done, locate the frequently visited area on the Start page or Top Sites view. This is what you'll remove. Make sure iCloud Safari Sync is off if you don't want changes to propagate. Toggle it in System Settings Apple ID iCloud. Now that you can see entries and sync status, move on to clearing those specific tiles. Now focus on removing individual tiles. Hover over any frequently visited site to reveal the small X, or right-click a tile and pick Remove. Click each X for sites you want gone. This keeps the rest of your history intact. If tiles reappear, make sure to clear caches or sign out of sync devices so they don't restore via iCloud. Once you finish removing unwanted tiles one by one, consider using a private window for visits you don't want saved in the future. To wipe everything, open History Clear History, pick an appropriate time range, and confirm Clear History. This removes frequently visited tiles along with related data. If items keep returning, go to System Settings Apple ID iCloud and disable Safari syncing. Make sure other devices are cleared too. If that still doesn't help, enable the Develop menu, Preferences Advanced, and use empty caches, then restart Safari. One troubleshooting tip: sign out of iCloud, clear history on all devices, then sign back in to stop automatic restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.